need to talk to you. I need to talk to you.
Gabriel, ano ba? Tumigil ka na. You're out of your mind.
No!
Na to. Nakakahiya ka.
No. Hindi mo mapigil sa gusto kong gawin. Mahal kita, Destiny. I can't take you out of my mind. I don't know what to do. I can't move on anymore without you, Destiny.
Gabriel, please. Stop it.
Ay, mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita, Mercedes. I might be drunk now, pero sasabihin ko sa'yo lahat ang nararamdam ko sa'yo. Ano? Gusto mo patunayan ko sa'yo? How much special you are for me?
Gabriel, please.
Ha? Mahal na mahal kita.
Gabriel, lasing ka. Saka na tayo mag-usap kapag hindi ka na lasing.
Destiny, I may be lasing, pero hindi mababago ang nararamdaman ko sa'yo. Okay? Okay? Destiny, gusto mo patunayan ko sa'yo everything that I feel for you?
Gabriel,
Gusto mo? I don't care.
please, Gabriel, nagmamakawa.
I don't care.
Stop it.
I don't care. I will shout to the whole world!
Gabriel, please.
Mahal na mahal ko si Destiny Rose!
Nakakahiya. Ano ba?
Mahal na...
Please. Gabriel. Ang dami ko ng problema. Huwag mo nang tagan. Gabriel, patahimigin mo na ako. Please.